Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Ragi biscuits at home without an oven. We'll explore a straightforward method using a stovetop, perfect for anyone looking for a healthy, gluten-free snack. You'll learn to combine wholesome ingredients like ragi flour and jaggery to create delightful, crunchy biscuits. This easy guide ensures you can enjoy freshly baked treats, even without specialized equipment, making healthy baking accessible to everyone in about 30 minutes of active preparation. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of ragi flour, also known as finger millet flour, and 1/4 cup of whole wheat flour for a balanced texture. For sweetness, we'll use 1/2 cup of jaggery powder, a healthier alternative to refined sugar. Don't forget 1/4 cup of melted ghee or unsalted butter, and a small pinch of cardamom powder for that aromatic touch. These simple items are all you need. Now, let's prepare the dough. First, combine the jaggery powder and melted ghee in a mixing bowl, stirring until the jaggery fully dissolves and the mixture is smooth. Next, gradually incorporate the ragi flour, whole wheat flour, and cardamom powder. Gently knead everything together to form a firm, non-sticky dough. Roll the dough out to about 1/4 inch thickness, then use a cookie cutter or knife to create your desired biscuit shapes. For baking without an oven, preheat a heavy-bottomed pan or cat-eye on low heat for about 10 minutes. Place a small metal stand or an inverted bowl inside the pan. Arrange your shaped biscuits on a greased plate or a small baking sheet. Carefully place this plate onto the stand inside the preheated pan. Cover the pan tightly and let the biscuits bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until they turn golden brown and crisp.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.